from class 8. Today I am going to introduce the project of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is the force that holds atoms together to form molecules or compounds. Atoms join together to become more stable by completing their outer shell. Atoms can become more stable by gaining, losing, or sharing electrons. This process may lead to different types of chemical bonds. Ionic bonding formed when an atom shares molecules with each other. If one atom loses electrons, it will become positive ion. If one atom gains atom, it will become negative ion. This attraction between the opposite sides of molecules are called ionic bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bonds are formed when the molecules are shared with each other. This is used to make the outer cell most confident than you.
My dearest viewers, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. I your comments also.